Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see convert entities option in SolidWorks 2019. Now, there is one more option, that is intersection curve. We'll see this both options because both the options are quite similar. Okay, we'll try to understand both the options. Now, most important thing, that is here, that convert entities option we can't see over here because it is now disabled. Now this option is only visible when we are in sketch mode. Okay, now what this option actually does, why I have drawn this cube and this plane. Now this option is just simple. Okay, what it is basically going to do, that it is going to project this face, okay, on this plane. So whatever there on this face, that will be projected as a sketch on this plane. Now this face is in the form of rectangle basically, or square, it may be anything. Okay, it may be anything, whatever that is or on this face, okay, or whatever is the boundary of this face, that will be converted into the sketch on this plane. Okay, now for that what we have to do, we have to just select this plane, enter into the sketch mode. Okay, once I enter into the sketch mode, you can see over here earlier there were only one option, that is intersection curve. Now you can see convert entities option is also now enabled. Now select this option, okay, and select this edge. Okay, and when I click OK, this edge will get projected on this plane in the form of sketch, and it will be by default a fully defined sketch. Okay, what is fully defined sketch, under defined sketch, and O defined sketch we have seen in our previous video tutorials. Okay, now let me first delete this. We can see other possibilities with this convert entities option. Now when I select this entire face, now what is the boundary of this face, that is a rectangle. Now when I click OK, so rectangle is getting projected over here, and this rectangle is exactly same as that of the face. We can also confirm this. So in this way, whatever there as a boundary of this face, that will get projected on the plane by using the convert entities option. So this is one of the sketching option basically, because that's why it is present inside the sketch tools, you can see over here. And one more option is there, that is intersection curve. About this intersection curve we'll see in our next video tutorial. Okay, so what is to be noted in this convert entities, that is it is used for the projection of any solid geometry on any one of the plane. Okay, it is not necessary that it should be plane always. Okay, here it can be similarly another geometry, similar cube can be there. Okay, and we are into the sketching mode on one of the face of that cube. Okay, so we can also project this face on some of the another face of the geometry. Okay, so this option is very simple. This option is generally used for projecting geometries. Okay, that's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials we are going to see intersection curve. That's all. Thank you.